Dear friends of Absen, welcome to ISRE 2021. I'm Azalea, and it's my pleasure to show you around the Absen booth. So this time we're showing two scenarios, including three professional solutions and one major product, MicroLED, which is now right in front of me. Absen MicroLED features four true specialties. The first one is true image quality. The product has a high contrast of 15,000 to 1. With our self-developed algorithm, HDR 3.0, it shows more details in bright and dark colors to help you realize more accurate color reproduction and also to reach the color gamut of DCI-P3. In addition, the COB surface light source can effectively suppress the moire effect, making this product also suitable for broadcasting application. The second feature is true stability. Absen MicroLED applies flip chip common cathode technology. It has less soldering, meaning also much less pixel failures. And COB package is very good at anti-collision, anti-oxidation, and anti-static, and dust-proof, moisture-proof. So it gives you an experience very close to consumer products like traditional TVs. The third feature is true comfort. So see what I'm doing now? The screen temperature is really low. It does not burn my hand at all. So the heat dissipation is very well managed. You don't need to worry about the room temperature after indoor installation. The fourth feature is true energy saving. Compared with traditional SMD products, Absen MicroLED with flip chip common cathode technology can save around 10% power consumption. Anyway, this product is very suitable for control rooms, meeting rooms, broadcasting, and high-end corporate installation. It's definitely one of the most advanced products in LED industry today. So feel free to reach out to your account manager for more detailed information. Then we move on to the creative retail scenario. Here we're showing a mock-up installation for a shopping mall. In the atrium, there's a cube built by N+ panels. We're also showing our 3D glass-free video solutions. See how vivid the pandas are? And then please look upward. There are two long ribbon boards built by Absen KL series, a product with excellent cost performance. The upper one is 1.8 millimeter and the bottom one is 2.5 millimeter. The surrounding displays are mock-up installation for window shopping. Let's check out closely. Here is our digital fitting room solution, FX Mirror 3D. It's a collaboration between Absen and FX Mirror to combine the latest AR technology together with high-quality displays, giving customers a different experience to find out a suitable outfit for you. Let's give it a try. So first, choose your gender, and then skin color. And then give the system some time to match your body shape. Then feel free to change different outfits, see. And then find your suitable one, and you can swing around to check how it looks like. Is it very interesting? Then let's move on to our next product, AP series. Here is Absen AP series. AP series is a product for advertisement totems. We offer both wall mounting installation like this one and also the ground standing installation. And then let's go on. By my side is the N+ panels. It's a hot selling model for retail application. The panel sizes are very flexible to meet different creative shape design. Also, the panel are very slim to help you save the space cost for retail stores. So what we're looking at now is our newly launched product, Absen Icon 3.0, an all-in-one solution for meeting rooms. With LED technology of high brightness and vivid image, you can keep your lights on during your meetings. In addition, Absen Icon 3.0 has integrated speakers in the bottom and also integrated remote controllers. And it operates on the Android platform. So it's very easily operated, just like your TVs at home. Then let's go back. Okay guys, here comes to our lecture hall or auditorium scenario. In the middle, you can see two pieces icon, KL icon product, 158 inches. And on the right-hand side is KL icon 130 inches. We also have a smaller one on the left-hand side. That's KL icon 116 inches. Here we are also showing our digital multifunctional lectern solution. So all units together complete a solution for lecture halls. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and more videos will come soon. Stay tuned. Bye.